Zone 1 of the Charitigo crossovers.
And the change of favors give Petrogas. We're back here at the PVL Bingo Plus, the first live streaming bingo in the Philippines. As we see the crowd here inside the University of San Agustin Gym in Iloilo. I heard we're expecting roughly around 6,000 to 7,000. And definitely we're not yet at full capacity. Pero mukhang siksik-liglig na ang University of San Agustin
That's how
Gym.
much the Iloilo City people love